And now finally, ladies and gentlemen, we will now be awarding the winners for our Grand Sinulog Showdown 2025.
Starting up with
Our fifth placer. Our fifth placer for Saulog sa Sinulog sa Bugho 2025 is contingent number 2, Tribo Mag-uma.
Porok Elder Leader, President. Lagi pareho lang diri ba? Pwede ra?
Once again, Porok Mag-uma sa pagani diri sa Tubangan. Our
Porok
fifth
President.
placer.
Okay, thank you very much. Alright, moving on with our fourth placer.
Ang fourth placer na kuha sa contingent number contingent number 1,
Tribo Manaragat, Saganong Manaragat. Would like to request the Porok Leader, the President, to come and join us here. Porok President of Porok Kay Mito, or representative.
Next is our third placer. Our third placer is contingent number contingent number 4, Tribo Kalubian.
Porok Chicos. This is it. The agony of waiting has so come to an end.
The long wait is now over.
And of course, their destinies have been set. The judges have made up their mind. This is it. This is final.
Our second placer for the Grand Showdown is
Uy. Would you like to thank our nakay mga aking pasalamatan?
Usara gyud ako pasalamatan, charot lang.
Imong boyfriend. I would like to thank Mr. Mario Jerm Cabigas for my outfit tonight. And of course, for my makeup Lois Yellow. And sa to production wear.
Yes, daghang salamat sad sa Barangay Bugho for inviting us to be here this
Sa to ang
evening.
mga cameramen out there.
Murag si Sir Vince is gugma na gugma gyud kayo siya.
Oh, really? Photo Esquate, Volleyball Sports, thank you so much. And the pages of SK and Barangay officials. To our Board of Tabulators, thank you to our judges. To Sir Carl. Grabe. Grabe, sir.
And to all the suppliers, daghang kayong salamat.
Yes, from our decoration, Mr. John Risico of Treasured Moments, sa tong Disco Mobile, sa tong gigamit karon,
Ang atong
LJ.
wardrobe provider for the production number, Mr. Mario Jerome Cabigas.
Thank you so much. Mga barangay tanods, mga PHWs, eritabang kanunay, lupon tagapayapa, and everybody who in one way or another have helped in making Saulog sa Sinulog sa Bugho 2024-2025 a great success. The SKs who work hard for this, sleepless nights, na matug sa barangay hall for the technical side for our audiovisual presentation. Thank you so much, the SKs.
Once again, daghang salamat sang guniang kabataan o Barangay Bugho at sila katagan sa Basipang Pakpak.
This is it.
Second placer for the Grand Showdown is
Actually, kamay kay Likas. Wala siya ka... 1 point. Exactly 1 point.
Yes.
91.25 against 92.25.
Our second placer is contingent number Contingent number 3!
Purok Sambag. Congratulations, Purok Sambag.
And our grand champion is none other than contingent number 5!
Purok Tamis. Tribo sa kayusang mangingista. Thank you very much, Miss Lorraine.
Daghang salamat, Sir Vince. Viva Pit Senior Kalatotanan. Happy Fiesta Barangay
Alright.
Bugho.
Photo opportunity. Pictorials. Thank you very much, Viva Pete Senior.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this has been your host, Lorraine Cabusog.
And this has been Vincent, aka DJ Love.
Now signing off.
Refresh yourself in this paradise. We're beautiful and wonderful places, always at your side. Welcome to
Pictures sa mga judges.